My dear masters, അവർക്ക് മലയാളം അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ, അവർക്ക് തെലുങ്ക് അറിയാം, ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അറിയാം. പക്ഷേ നമുക്ക് തെലുങ്ക് അറിയാത്തത് കാരണം നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അവർ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ വളരെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽഡ് ആയിട്ടാണ് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒരുപാട് വൈശിഷ്ട്യതകളെ കുറിച്ചിട്ടൊക്കെ, ഈ പിരമിഡ് പവർ എന്താണ്, അതിൻ്റെ ബാക്കിലുള്ള സൂക്ഷ്മ ശക്തികളെക്കുറിച്ച്, അതിൻ്റെ അഡ്വാൻറ്റേജസിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ടൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. അതൊക്കെ നമുക്കൊന്ന് കാണാം. ഓക്കെ? യെസ്.
I am from Eluru, West Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, and we make copper pyramid manufacturers, and we will send it throughout India where our pyramids and where meditation people will be there. We will send that copper pyramids throughout India. And now we are doing research since past 2007-2008, and my father name is Srinivas Rao, and he is the manufacturer, and he is doing pyramids, but this life he is not having any knowledge of the pyramids according to the past life, and he got a vision from the masters, and he is doing everything of the pyramids. He doesn't learn anything, a single piece from anyone, just he learned by the masters vision. So that is the thing I want to explain you about the pyramids and everything. Come again. And first of all, one of the best we are doing research still now, and we are getting 100% result is pyramid pillow. This is pyramid pillow, and this consists of 54 copper pyramids, small pyramids with 9 crystals inside. And this is the pyramid which is having very huge benefits, and which we will use multi-purpose. And now it is used by any people at any age, at man, woman, how many of it, multi-purposely you can use it. And I will explain you, or I will give you small demo how it will be used in our daily life. And this is the demo pillow. But we will give you we will give this pillow like this.
Okay.
So just you want to see what is the inside, so we created the demo. So what is this 54 copper pyramids? Then we can use it like this, keep on the chair and do meditation like this. So it can activate the back, it can clear the back pain problems, and it can activate 7 chakras while doing meditation like this every day. And while you are having car personally, then in car seat also you can have it and go for drive. It will be long drive, 700-800 kilometers also, you will not get stress or strain. We have done experiments, lot of things, lot of years, but we will travel nearly 1000 to 1500 kilometers per day. We will never non-stop. We will never get any stress and strain. So it will be helpful like that. And then if you are having some leg pains, you can keep it like this and do meditation like this. And if you are having palm pains, you can have it like this and keep your 2 feet on that and do meditation. What it will do means it will heal inch in our body.
Okay.
It will heal because after 20 years, what you will get, any health problems you will get, it will reduce in a small amount. Means by one vomiting or by emotion or some like that, it will come out. Okay, then pyramid will, wherever pyramid is there, it will generate only positive energy. Whether it is the negative, it will heal the negative energy and convert it into positive energy. So when the people came to your home also, if the pyramid is in your home, they will come in a negative mind, automatically they will talk positively for us. They don't know. While coming out, oh, what happened, why we talk like that. So lot of experiments we have done, and now we are very successful. And this pillow is having multi-purpose. Means if you are having stomach pain, most of the women will feel stomach pain, then you can keep it while sleeping like this, and keep it under pillow like this, and you can sleep it. This is the relaxation and release of stress and strain. Okay. Even for a non-meditator, even if the people are not able to do meditation or not interested to do meditation, while in your family, for example, you will do meditation, your husband or your children will not do meditation. Actually, children will take less time, means only 5 to 10 minutes. You cannot convince them to do meditation. So while you are using this pillow, the children can sleep for 5 to 6 hours. And this pillow is mainly used for children while they are in a studied age, and you parents will do meditation, but children will not do meditation. They will always on the entertainment, because they are in a calm mode, and they will be in a zero state only. No need to worry. But they will also want energy. Means we have done experiments on a lot of people, the children who is doing meditation, and we have done experiments on who is not doing meditation. The children who is doing meditation has grasping power, more grasping power and more receiving power, and they are very talented. They like that. So children will not do meditation for more than 5 to 10 minutes. Then how we can do the meditation means, here the pillow we want to place it on the bed, and this bed is consist of, for example, for one divan cot it will consist of 10 pillows. 10 pillows means each pillow you can get 54 copper pyramids. Then according to 10 pillows means it is 540 pyramids. So one person can sleep on this bed, can sleep on this whole bed, and then if you want to do meditation means he will do meditation for 5 to 10 minutes only. But while he is sleeping on the bed, he can sleep for 5 to 6 hours. So everything, his mind will be recollect and his mind will reactivate, and stress and strain will be released, and he will study more than non-meditator. More than non-meditator, he can gain then more knowledge. We have done lot of experiments, and we are having lot of results like that. And then this is the size of 2 by 2, and which is having a pure copper pyramid, and inside it is having 91 pyramids. And another step is also there, we want to show it later, and 91 pyramids inside. And it is consists of pure copper with 10 crystals. And this is the pyramid bed, actually, which is having 10 pillows on the downside, and it is having 91 pyramids, but 3 into 91 means 273 pyramids, plus this is having 540 pyramids. 540 plus 270, nearly 800 to 900 pyramids you will get in one bed. So that is the thing, very powerful, and we are doing lot of experiments. Even the people suffering with, even the people not having any cure of the disease can also heal these pyramids. Like that. And then this is known as a Merkaba. Merkaba is an ancient thing, and we are having, senior masters are used a lot, but now the energies are came that every person can use Merkaba. And Merkaba is also having 91 pyramids inside, and this is the new invention for this year. And the another one is 7 pyramid set, and this is having same 91 pyramids, but what is the specialization of these pyramids means, it is having 9 pyramids and 9 pyramids, and totally 91 plus 9, 100 plus nearly 117 to 126 pyramids are available. What is the structure of this pyramid means, top one pyramid is there, it will pass the energy to next pyramid. It will pass this to 9 pyramids, and this pyramid to 9. Totally you will get energy from totally 129 pyramids sitting under this. If you use this, the step by step the energy will come, and you can receive the energy from 129 pyramids at once. So this is a different technique we are using from last 12 years. Then what is happening means, that big pyramid also, it is having one pyramid only. The people can sit, a lot of people can sit at one time, so the huge energies are there. But in our house, a lot of people can't sit. You want to do meditation about yourself, you want to do. So this will help you, means more pyramids will help you. That more people will help their energies, but more pyramids will help here. So we are using more pyramids in more bed. So like this we are having nearly 800 to 900 pyramids on this bed. That is the specialty. And then this is the special pyramid which we have done in 2020. This we have done in 2010. 2010 this is there, but this is from 2020 new pyramid. It will consist of nearly 91 pyramids, and the size is also we reduced. Means what we have done is economy. We have done economy. This is having 91 pyramids, but it is 2 by 2. This is also having 91 pyramids, and we can see the 91 pyramids inside. Like this you can get. Like this you can get. What is the benefit of this pyramid means you are getting 91 pyramids at 2 by 2 same 91 pyramids and 91 one and a half same 91 pyramids. The size is the difference.
Okay.
With the size the energy will not be same. Energy is the same.
Okay.
Only the size is the matter. So we are reducing this as the half of the cost.
Okay.
Because that is 2 by 2 very huge and huge thing. We are reducing it 91 one and a half, but the cost will be half of the cost it will get. So what we have done is we created 8 pyramids on that, and under this one we have given pillows, and we make the single seat for the comfort or transport. We make the single seat. It is having 54 208 plus 8 216 pyramids. Each one consists of 216 pyramids. Means what is the concept is, more pyramids you are having in your home will generate more positive energy. In this thing nearly 3 people can sit here and do meditation. You can use this as a mini center in your home by calling to 10 to 15 people and do more for group meditation. You can use it, and you can use it for doing your own meditation, means increasing your levels, energy levels, or increasing like that. So it is having totally 91 pyramids into 8.
Okay.
91 pyramids into 8 means nearly 560 change pyramids on upside, and 200 means 600, and nearly 12 to 1300 of pyramids. This consists of copper pyramids, pure copper. So what is this happen means we have used it in COVID situation. COVID situation, and we have sent it to directly to Mumbai, Gandhi Hospital, and AIMS people has taken this pyramid. Means on the time AIMS people have taken this pyramid and they have done experiment. Means on the time they are searching for every alternate thing. How it will reduce, how it will reduce, how will it will reduce. So this thing is happen. What is happen means for example 12 days the COVID person is recovering.
Okay.
On sleeping on this bed, he is getting recover on 8th day.
Okay.
So we have got huge results. Then in this time I will tell you my personally one experience. What is happening is on ancient days before Christ or BC, Greece got COVID. Greece got COVID. On the day we are having now this, in this technology, we are having this technology and this doctors and everything, and every infrastructure you are having today, but we have not able to trace the thing, and we are not able to cure. We are till nowadays we are not having any cure. So on that day, on the Greece, lot of people has died.
Yes.
Lot of people has died, but 100 people, only the 100 count of the people will not getting COVID. 100 people will not getting COVID. Means what is the thing means, the scientists are doing experiments, and they have told that that 100 people are worked in a copper factory. Copper factory, copper making factory. The 100 people on the corona times, they are there. They are in copper factory only. So they are not getting corona. So then the government take immediate action, and the people are survived by making copper beds and drinking in copper vessels, and sleeping on the copper beds, and wearing like that, wearing copper paper type jackets. Like that, on the day the ancient people are survived from corona. So like that, in this day what we have done is we are having lot of copper here. With that copper we are used pyramid angle.
Okay.
So copper is inbuiltly having one energy. Copper is a conducting material. So from ancient days also we are having copper kadiyas, and we want to drink water in copper vessels, and copper is the main thing. First of all, in the metals it is a conducting material. Gold is the first fine thing, and then after gold it is now copper. Then in the third stage, non-conducting materials, iron, wood, cement, everything will come. First of all, first is for gold and next is for copper. It is a main conducting. So what we have done is already copper is having one energy, pyramid angle is having one energy. We joined the both of the things. So we are successful. We are getting huge results, even for Parkinson's and for a lot of people who are having no medicine. Our concept is no medicine, no doctor. Means for small things, the people will not go to the doctor. People will not don't want to go to doctor. Means your body, means your soul will know how to heal your own body. Don't give chance to the doctors. Means you are having huge problem. Operation cancer means you will go to doctor. No need to worry. But for small things, stomach pain or back pain or knee pain or small things, don't go to the hospital. Then they are also well educated and they are also fine doctors. Already they are well educated. But for small things, our body will having the healing energy. It is having self motivation. The body will heal themselves. So give some time. When you got the fever, your body is asking to take rest.
Yes.
The body is requesting you, oh please, I am requesting you to give me some rest for 5 days, 4 days. We are thinking about the fan. What is the fan we are revolving? From morning to evening, if the fan is on, we will tell that, oh, switch off that fan.
Yes.
It is revolving from morning to evening. While we are traveling on the car for 100 to 1500 kilometers, we will stop for every 100 kilometers. Means engine will heat up, the battery will get down. Stop, we will do. Then these all things are done by our human mind only. But we are giving importance to the object. We are giving importance to the things. But we are not giving importance to us.
Exactly.
Means we are not stopping to think. The meditation main concept is to make the mind switch off. So simple concept is these pyramids will help you to make your mind switch off for some time. That is the thing. That is the open concept. It is totally science. No puja or nothing. It is totally science. Every religion, every people, every human being can do it easily. Just seeing and just simply sitting and doing meditation, you can take that pyramids and use for the support and you can use it. That is the thing.
ഇപ്പം ഞാനൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കാൻ പോവാണ് അവരോട്. അതായത് നമ്മൾ പൂർവ്വജന്മകൃതം പാപം വ്യാധി രൂപേണ പീഡിത എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് വരുന്ന രോഗങ്ങളെല്ലാം ചെറിയ പാപങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെറിയ രോഗങ്ങൾ, വലിയ പാപങ്ങൾക്ക് വലിയ രോഗങ്ങൾ. സോ അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു പിരമിഡ് മെഡിറ്റേഷനിലൂടെ നമുക്ക് കംപ്ലീറ്റ്, അതായത് ധ്യാനത്തിലൂടെ സമ്പൂർണ്ണ രോഗശാന്തി എന്ന് സാറ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് ശരിയാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഈ కర్మ നമുക്ക് అది కొరయాలి, కర్మ రెడ్యూస్ని వేണ്ടിയിട്ട് ఇది ఉపయోగించడం పറ്റുമെന്ന് చూద్దాం. దీని గురించి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి రోగాలు ఎన్నో తగ్గినాయి ఉంటాయి కదా, అవి కొంచెం చెప్తారా? మనకి ఎన్నో రిజల్ట్ వచ్చినాయి అని.
Finally what I want to tell is pyramid will not clear karma. Means while doing meditation, pyramid will help us to clear karma, means everybody will tell. But pyramid will help you to clear. Means you want to face the karma, you want to face it. That is finally you want to face it. But it will help you, it will give you support to face the karma. So you can get support from the pyramid. Means you are doing meditation or you are doing the things, the past life karma will not like very big one, it will be support to you. Means the pyramid will heal your karmas. Then finally you want to face it. That is the karma only. You want to face the karma. That is finally thing. But pyramid will support what your karmas is having. You want to face it. The pyramid will be with you, and it will heal you, and it will be with you and support for facing that experience. That is the main thing.
അവർ പറഞ്ഞത് എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ നമുക്ക് പിരമിഡ് എനർജി കൊണ്ട് കർമ്മേനൊന്നും ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. പക്ഷേ കർമാനുസാരം വരുന്ന നമ്മളുടെ രോഗങ്ങൾ അതിനൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ രോഗശാന്തി എപ്പോഴാണ് വരിക? ധ്യാനത്തിലൂടെ എപ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് ആലോചന രഹിത സ്ഥിതി വരുന്നത്, അപ്പോൾ ആ ഒരു മനോശൂന്യ സ്ഥിതിയിൽ നമ്മളിലേക്ക് അപാരമായിട്ട് വിശ്വശക്തി പ്രവഹിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മളുടെ നാഡീമണ്ഡലത്തിൽ നമ്മൾ, അതായത് പാസ്റ്റ് ലൈഫ് ആയിട്ട് ഒരുപാട് പാസ്റ്റ് ലൈഫുകളായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ക്യാരി ചെയ്യുന്ന കർമ്മങ്ങളെ കഴുകിക്കളയാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ നമ്മൾക്ക് ഈ പിരമിഡ് എനർജി എങ്ങനെയാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഈ പിരമിഡ് എനർജിയിൽ നമുക്ക് ഫാസ്റ്റായിട്ട് ആലോചന രഹിത സ്ഥിതി കൈവരിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് മനോശൂന്യത ഏർപ്പെടുന്നത്, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിലേക്ക് അപാരമായ വിശ്വശക്തി പ്രവഹിക്കുകയും അതിലൂടെ നാഡീമണ്ഡലം ശുദ്ധി ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് മുമ്പ് അനുഭവിക്കേണ്ടി വരുന്ന രോഗങ്ങളെ പോലും കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഏതുകൊണ്ട് ധ്യാനത്തിലൂടെ. ആ ധ്യാനത്തിന് നമ്മൾ ഒരുപാട് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യും പിരമിഡ് എനർജി എന്നാണ് സാറ് നമ്മളോട് പറയുന്നത്. സർ, ഇനി ഒരു ഹാങ്ങിങ് പിരമിഡിനെ കുറിച്ച് കൂടി സാറ് നമ്മളോട് പറയുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
This is also hanging pyramid, means while we want to sit personally, you want to do meditation, you are having some place in your home, then you can sit under that pyramid having some chair here under this pyramid, and you will sit here and do meditation. For that thing we will hang these pyramids, and some people can't afford these pyramids or can't afford it, so we are giving this for small one which you can afford economy, and you can do it very easily. So like that pyramid will generate positive energy, means according to the vastu or whatever it is, pyramid will generate positive energy. And now I will tell you about this is the vastu pyramid, and it is having 91 copper pyramids inside.
Okay.
And now it will be used when house warming, means house construction we will make one punadi.
Yes, adithara. My dear friends, സാറ് ഇതിനെ കുറിച്ചിട്ട് എന്താ പറയണേ വെച്ചാൽ ഇത് വാസ്തു പിരമിഡാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ വീടിന് തറയൊക്കെ ഇടില്ലേ, തറക്കല്ലിടുമ്പോൾ ആ ഭൂമിയിൽ സ്ഥാപിക്കേണ്ടതാണിത്. ഒരിക്കൽ നമ്മൾ നവധാന്യങ്ങളും പിന്നെ സ്വർണ്ണമൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ആ ഒരു വീട് കെട്ടുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് അവിടെ സ്ഥാപിക്കാറുണ്ട് അല്ലേ. അവിടെ ഈ പിരമിഡ് വാസ്തു എന്നുള്ളത് ഇത് ഭൂമിയിൽ സ്ഥാപിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആ ഒരു വീടിന്റെ എല്ലാവിധ വാസ്തുക്കളും ശരിയാവുന്ന പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആയിട്ട് പറയുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
This is copper pyramid, which is known as vastu pyramid. This name is, and it is totally handmade. Specially, we will made with our own hands. No workers will be there. It is not a mission made. It is a handmade, and it is having 91 copper pyramids. Every pyramid was done by our only meditators. Okay, our family members only. No people are outside, people are there. We are doing this thing, and it will help when you are house planning, your house puja. You can use it there, and what it will do is it will non-stop work will be done.
Okay.
Means while you are constructing, some problems will come, and it will done very fast.
ఇది కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ బేస్మెంట్లో
ఫిక్స్ చేయాలి. So you want to fix it in the basement. Then when someone home, when already constructed, it want to place in some puja room.
ഓഹോ, ഓൾറെഡി കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് ചെയ്ത വീട്ടിലാണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് പൂജാ റൂമിൽ വെക്കാമെന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്.
Some people are having vastu problems in their home, and they want to dismantle the whole house, but they don't want to dismantle the house. They put this pyramid, it will solve the problem.
Okay.
That is the thing. Lot of house constructions which is in the dismantle stage, we use it for that remedy.
Okay.
So means that is not solvable. We want to destroy it, we want to dismantle it. Then by using this one, we don't have to dismantle.
Okay.
It will settle up the energies and everything, and it will set the vastu.
Okay.
That is the main thing of this. And this is also given message for my father, and he has done it by the only meditation message only. This knowledge in this life he is having no knowledge. He is not educated very much, and he is farmer. Yes. He is not having knowledge on this life. Yes. So by seeing my father only, I came to the meditation, because I know what is my father is doing. Every morning he wake up, he go to the farm, and he is doing the things like that. But suddenly he is doing this meditation, and for 6 months he is going in one room, in the single room. He is doing single sitting 8 hours of meditation.
Okay.
For 6 months he has done like that.
Okay.
On that day I am studying 8th to 9th class I am studying. So I am feeling that what happened to my father. Then he daily will wake up and go to the farm. Why he is not going? Then on the middle of the meditation he wake up and he is writing some calculations. He is writing some message. We have not understand. We are getting tension. We want to take him to hospital, but he is not going. He is not coming. What happened to my father? Then after some days we understand that what he is writing is the calculations of the pyramid, and the masters are telling him how to make the pyramid. The masters are telling him how to make the pyramid. On this life he is not having any idea. So that is the proven thing. Then we are inspired. and I came to the meditation, and now my life is very happy. I am a software engineer. I am employed in Wipro, and my salary is 1 lakh per month. I resigned this job.
Okay.
I resigned the job because on the day my father told that Wipro is having 20,000 employee. You are one of the thing. You are the one employee. But here I have created all these things. I am the creator of all these things. And Patri sir told that after your father, you only want to do this. Exactly. So my father gave me 2 chances. When you are going 20,000 employee, you are one employee. But this pyramid, I am making this pyramid. But this pyramid going to everyone home will remember us.
Exactly.
So will remember us and will remember their lifetime. And then I have taken decision to be with my father only. I have taken the chance, and I am very happy soul, and I am the happiest person in the world.
Okay.
That is the thing. By doing meditation means, I will tell you my own experience. You will get happiest life in the world.
Yes.
Yes, that is the thing.
Yeah.
Means what is the thing? Means what work? Everyone came to the earth to do some work. Then by doing this meditation and using these pyramids, you can easily know why you came to the earth. You can easily know. But because if you don't do meditation or not using these pyramids and everything, it will take lot of time. It will take half of the life for some time. Why I came to earth? Because every soul coming on the earth want to do some work. Want to do karma, any karma, want to do some work. But what is the purpose of the life? So by using this meditation and pyramids, you can easily find out what is the purpose you came here. So my purpose for this life, I came here to do pyramids and to spread this energy to throughout the world. So now everyone will use these pyramids, and this is totally scientific. Don't believe my words also. Do meditation, use these pyramids, and tell your own experience to everyone. That is the thing. And this is also a lot of pyramids, and this is vast pyramid. And now we are having crystals here.
വൺ സെക്കൻഡ് അശ്വസ്, ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കേണ്ടത് എത്ര ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആയിട്ടാണ് അവർ പറഞ്ഞത്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ പിതാവ് ഒരു കർഷകനാണ്. അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് വേറെ ഒന്നും അറിയില്ല ഈ ജന്മത്തിൽ. പക്ഷെ അദ്ദേഹം പെട്ടെന്നൊരു ദിവസം ധ്യാനത്തിലിരിക്കുക, ഒരു സിറ്റിങ്ങിൽ തന്നെ 8 മണിക്കൂർ ഇരിക്കുക. അദ്ദേഹം ആസ്ട്രലായിട്ട് ആ ഒരു ക്ലിയർ വോയിസ്, എന്തിനാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ആ ഡിവൈൻ ഡിസൈൻ എന്താണ്, അവരുടെ ആ ലൈഫ് പർപ്പസ് എന്താണെന്നുള്ള അവർക്ക് ആ മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് കൊടുത്തു. അതാണ് അവർ ആ ധ്യാനത്തിൽ നിന്നിട്ട് പെട്ടെന്ന് എഴുതിയിരുന്നത്. സോ ഒരു കർഷകനായ അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് ഇതൊക്കെ മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സാണ് അവരെ കൊണ്ട് ചെയ്യിക്കുന്നത് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഇത് നമ്മൾ വിശ്വസിച്ചേ പറ്റൂ. പിന്നെ അവർ പറയുന്നത്, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞതൊന്നും നിങ്ങൾ വിശ്വസിക്കേണ്ട, ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ ഓണായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്, ആ അനുഭൂതി അനുഭവിച്ചറിയാനാണ് അവർ പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. പിന്നെ ഇതൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ അവരുടെ നമ്പർ നമ്മൾ ഇതിൽ സ്ക്രോളിംഗ് കൊടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും അവരോട് ഡയറക്റ്റ് കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. ഓക്കെ. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ക്രിസ്റ്റൽസിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ളത് കേൾക്കാം സർ.
This is crystal balls, and this is known as rose quartz. And each crystal is having different types of energy. And this is rose quartz, and this is used to put on the pyramid apex.
Okay.
Means while you constructed pyramids, it will help to fix on that.
Okay.
What it will do is simply it will split the energy. Only that thing. Ante. Because pyramid is the main, meditation is the main. It will help only for splitting of the energy.
Yes.
Means such a huge pyramid you are having 40 pyramid. Means the energy want to split. Means everyone energy want to split to everyone. Yes. So this will help to split the energy.
Yes. ഇത് എല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കേണ്ട കാര്യമാണ്. പിരമിഡിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ എല്ലാവരും ക്രിസ്റ്റൽ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ സാറ് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്, പിരമിഡാണ് നമുക്ക് എനർജി തരുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ ആ ക്രിസ്റ്റൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എല്ലാവരിലേക്ക് ആ എനർജി പ്രസരിപ്പിക്കുവാൻ മാത്രമാണ് ഈ ഒരു ക്രിസ്റ്റൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ പിരമിഡാണ് നമുക്ക് ശക്തി തരുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ ആ പിരമിഡിലെ എനർജീനെ മൊത്തം, ആ പിരമിഡ് മുഴുവൻ പ്രസരിപ്പിക്കാൻ ഈ ക്രിസ്റ്റൽ വളരെയധികം ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഈ പിരമിഡിൽ വെക്കുന്ന ഈ ക്രിസ്റ്റൽ നമ്മളെ സഹായിക്കുന്നത് എന്തിനാണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, എനർജി തരുന്നത് പിരമിഡാണ്, പക്ഷെ മൊത്തം ആ എനർജിനെ വ്യാപിപ്പിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നത് ഈ ക്രിസ്റ്റലാണ്. ഓക്കെ. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇതൊരു ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ ക്രിസ്റ്റൽ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് പിരമിഡിൽ വെക്കുക എന്നുള്ളത്. ഇതാണ് ഈ ഒരു ക്രിസ്റ്റലിൻ്റെ ഉപയോഗം. ഓക്കെ. ഇനി നെക്സ്റ്റ് സർ, ഡിഫറെന്റ് ടൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് പിരമിഡ്സ് ഉണ്ടായി. സെയിം
same purpose and the same. All the purpose is same, but each crystal is having different type of splitting. The splitting will different. Means amethyst, this is known as rose quartz.
Okay.
Rose quartz will generate more splitting, and then amethyst. Then according to the size and according to the thing, but finally crystal will split the energy.
Okay.
Only splitting. Means it is having positive energy, it will split the positive energy.
Yes.
It is having negative energy, it will split the negative energy.
Okay.
It is having only splitting concept for the crystal. Means it will heal some energies, it will heal into positive, into negative, into positive, but mainly the purpose is for splitting.
Yes.
Splitting the energy. So finally pyramid is the main, and finally more than the pyramid, person is the main. Okay, then you are doing meditation. If you done, means pyramid, these crystals, or everything is the support for the person to do meditation.
Yes.
On that day, one day, you don't need pyramid and you don't need crystal or anything. When you are on the doing perfect meditation, one day, but still on the learning, you want some support to walk.
Exactly.
As in a child condition, you want support to walk. So pyramid will have support to walk. That is the thing, and that is used for very nice thing, and we have done lot of experiments. 99% results we are having. Even the people, some people, government officials, and very lot of results. The people will not believe the God. You are doing still meditation and using these pyramids. That is the thing. You can get it very easily, but finally what people and what we are all doing, this 10 days program, what we are doing is, finally what we are telling is, do sadhana.
Yeah. Sure.
These classes, what we are talking, what you are telling, what we are telling, what we are trying to tell is, do sadhana. While you do sadhana, then you will get the result. Yes. Finally to do meditation for some time, then make your life happy, and no need to go to the doctor. No medicine, no doctor. That is the thing. And our family is not having medicine for long time. Means one family will still live without going to the doctor. Means that is the life, that is the happiest life. That is the simply you can get health.
Simply you can get health.
Simply by doing meditation and using pyramids, you can get health. That is the thing. Yes, that is the thing. Then more than health, what we want for lifetime, you don't have to go to doctor. That is the thing. Yes. Then final thing also, in our society, MBBS doctors are there, and who is having surgeons are there in our society.
Yes.
In our society, lot of doctors are there. What they will do in their hospitals means, first of all, the patient came, they will give you two advices. You want to reduce it temporarily or permanently.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you want to reduce it immediately or slowly. So what according to their patient knowledge, if he want to, our doctors will tell about the meditation and tell about these pyramids and everything, and help them to do meditation. And not that immediately they want treatment, they will give the treatment.
Yes.
Yeah, in our society, doctor is playing. They are doing more society and more service. Doctors are doing more service. So what they will do means, for small things, small things, they will also give some remedies and everything. But permanently, if you want to do it, if there is a big situation, you want to definitely go to doctor. He will only help you on this whole world, because they are doing great service. But for small things, we are having alternate thing. So that is the thing for meditation, yoga, and these all things are came in alternate medicine.
സാർ പറയുന്നത് ആരോഗ്യത്തെക്കാൾ വലിയ മഹാഭാഗ്യം ഇല്ല എന്ന് നമുക്കറിയാം. അതായത് ഈ പിരമിഡിനെ കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് സമ്പൂർണ്ണ ആരോഗ്യം ലഭിക്കുമെന്നതിൽ യാതൊരുവിധ സംശയമില്ല. സോ നമുക്ക് ഒരുപാട് വസ്തുക്കൾ കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് പിരമിഡ് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ അതിൽ നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് തന്നെ നമ്മളിന്ന് സന്ദർശിച്ചത് ഈ ഒരു കോപ്പറും കൊണ്ടുള്ള, അതായത് കോപ്പറിന് ഒരു എനർജി ഉണ്ട്, ആ കോപ്പറും കൊണ്ട് കെട്ടിയ പിരമിഡിനും ഇനി ഒരു എനർജി ഉണ്ട്. സോ പിരമിഡ് എപ്പോഴും കൂടി എനർജി റിസീവ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു മഹാശക്തി ക്ഷേത്രമാണ് നമുക്കറിയാം. അതിന് ഇവർ യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് കോപ്പറാണ്. സോ അതിൻ്റെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള എല്ലാ വശങ്ങളും വളരെ വിശദമായിട്ട് സാറ് പറഞ്ഞു. വണ്ടർഫുൾ മെസ്സേജ് സർ. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് സാർ. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഫോൺ നമ്പർ, അഡ്രസ്സൊക്കെ നമ്മളിതിൽ നമ്മളുടെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ആ ഒരു ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിൽ കൊടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ സ്ക്രോളിങ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും.